All right, welcome back to another video. So if you would like to know how I made this French toast at home on my Blackstone griddle, let's get started. So you can use whatever bread you have available at home. I used the brioche bread. I cracked open 2 eggs. I added some heavy whipping cream, a few dashes of the vanilla extract, as well as some cinnamon powder and some white sugar. So you want to make sure you give this egg mixture a good stir, so that way you can go ahead and begin to place your bread slices into your mixture. Now, some people use oil. However, I like to use butter. So that's me adding butter to my Blackstone. I am dipping the sliced bread into the egg mixture, and I'm just going to place it on there, and I'm going to cook it until it's completely brown. And I'm adding in some more butter. And as you can see, I'm giving it a flip. Now, you want to eyeball your French toast to your own liking. So I'm flipping it over and flipping them over just to make sure it's to my liking. And as you can see, they are looking beautiful. Now, as they continue to cook, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some powdered sugar. This is totally optional, but I wanted some powdered sugar on my French toast. How many of y'all like powdered sugar on y'all French toast? I'm not a syrup person, so I like the powdered sugar on there. So I am just basically scooping these up off my griddle, and that way you guys can take a look and see how they look. But I would like to thank each and every last one of you guys for watching my videos. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you have a blessed day. Bye for now.